lot of activities. It's very healthy activities, outdoor activities. And then particularly with the families, it's very social. It's great for people to get to know each other and friends. We have people here that are third, fourth and fifth generation members. One of the things I think for our success is the reinvestment by the club. The club has invested $12 to $14 million over the last 5 years. And we're continuing to invest in our facilities. We're going to add pickleball courts next year. We just redid our fitness facility with all brand state-of-the-art equipment. For the months that it's open, the pool is very, very busy. Through a whole day, we could have 800 people in there, obviously coming and going throughout the day. Golf course, we're planning some changes and some improvements with irrigation and different things over the next few years. So we have to constantly reinvest, and that's something that the club and the board really feel strongly about.